So the next important topic is Asiatic lion. Okay. This is a pure preliminary topic. This is very important in the case of preliminary examination. Okay. Why news the Asian lion population increased from 674 to 891 in just 5 years, according to the Lion Census 2025. That is the point. This particular point is very important, and it is we can use in the mains examination. Okay. Like Sri said, this is very important from the mains examination, from the perspective of mains examination. Okay. And regarding the preliminary examination, in 1 year, one previous year, there were questions related to the Asiatic lion. Like Asiatic, if my memory is clear, Asiatic lion is only seen in the Gir National Park in India. Naturally, seeing in the Gir National Park in India. Okay, so that statement is there. Statement was there in the previous year question. Okay, the it is in the Gir National Park and Gir Wildlife Sanctuary. Both are there, and also it is present in the Barda Wildlife Sanctuary as well. Okay, this emerges as a second home for lions. There, the habitat is grasslands, savannas, shrubs, woodlands, etc. Okay, so this particular lion is listed in the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Okay. And Appendix 1 of the sites listed in the Schedule 1. Schedule 1, okay, listed in the Schedule 1. And Appendix 1 site. So this Schedule 4 is included the animals and other species in that is already included in the appendix of sites. Okay, so that's also very important. Okay, it's actually listed in the Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act, and all the animals listed in the appendix of sites is also there in the Schedule 4 of the Wildlife Protection Act. Okay, clear? Appendix of sites. What are the characteristics? Characteristics is also very important topic from preliminary examination point of view. Okay, because they will ask whether this lion is a solitary animal or a social animal, etc. Okay, so they may compare this with African counterpart, African lions. So what's the difference? This is an African lion, this is an Asiatic lion. Male Asiatic lions have a shorter and thinner mane for around face compared to African lions. Asiatic lions have a unique fold of skin on their belly that African lions usually lack. Male Asiatic lions weigh approximately 160 to 190 kg, while female weigh around 100 and 120 kg. And the shoulder height of an Asiatic lion is about 110 centimeter. Okay, these are the facts regarding the Asiatic lion and the small comparison between the African lion. Okay, this I have taken from the government side. So this is very, very important. If it is possible, you guys follow PIB. PIB. What is PIB? Press Information Bureau. So they will publish information regarding any government acts, government publications, government schemes, etc. Okay. Well, the newspapers also taking information from PIB. Okay. That is the official document. PIB is an official document. Clear? If you can follow the PIB. There's a PIB app is also, Android app is also there. So it is very easy to follow PIB application. Okay, PIB news, PIB data. Okay, clear. So the activities, the initiative to save like International Big Cat Alliance. What are the big cats? Lion, tiger, jaguar, leopard, etc. And there's a greater will concept. Asiatic Land Reintroduction Project. Proposed reintroduction in Kuno Palampur National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Okay. This is very, very important because they have already introduced cheetah in the Kuno Palampur National Park. Right. They're also planning to introduce Asiatic land as well. Okay. And other technologies for land monitoring like AI-driven systems like Simba, e-Kuj forest and alert generation systems. Okay. This Simba is very, very important. For the biodiversity protection, you can use this data. For the any question related to the biodiversity protection, you can use this data.